Okay, today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the video resolution settings on the Insta360 GO 3S. Okay, here's the step-by-step way of doing this. Right now I have the camera out of the action pod. We're going to dive into the settings here on the screen. If you look over here on the left-hand bottom corner, you'll see that it says 4K 30 frames per second. We're going to go ahead and tap on that. And then it brings up this selection here where you can change the resolution by scrolling like that, 1080, 2.7K or 4K. Over here is the frame rate where you can go from 30 frames per second and then take it down to 25 or 24. And normal shooting mode, for what I use it for, I put it in 4K, 30 frames per second. And also a little bit other note over here on the left-hand side, you can see where you can change the stabilization from max. Right now I got it on the best that it offers, or you can go to high, which is the middle tier, standard, or off. So I have mine on max. Okay, that's how you change the video resolution on your Insta360 GO 3S.